this, we have to make a 90-degree bend in it. We're teaching a class on beginning blacksmithing, and that's what I used to do when I first started here. Was a blacksmith, and we're teaching a class on it, the beginners class. We'll have a more advanced class. I think in October we're going to have a knife making class. They'll learn the technique. We'll turn that into later in the class. These guys are getting started on some small projects, hooks. I'm going to take them through some techniques. It's mainly a technique class. Once you learn the techniques of what I'm teaching them, they can go out and make just about whatever they want, as long as they apply themselves. What you want to do is maintain that half-inch thickness. Of course, the main tools, the hammer and the anvils. Of course, we're using tongs on some of the smaller stuff. And they've started their first, done their first hook. They did a pretty good job, actually. All of them did. And so I showed them step by step what to do, and then took them from there. Of course, we're using all the old tools, bellows. Of course, modern blacksmiths use air powered, electric. Some of them are gas forges today. Not all blacksmiths use coal like we do.